Good morning, class 5. Welcome to your science online class. We are discussing different types of lever, and as we have learned that depending on the three factors of a lever, that is effort, fulcrum and load, on the position of them, we have divided lever into three different parts, and first class and second class lever we have already discussed. First class lever, here load, fulcrum and effort. Second class lever, fulcrum, load and effort. And in the third class lever, the position is fulcrum, after that effort and finally the load. In this type of lever, the fulcrum is at one end of the lever and the load is at the other end. The effort is applied between the fulcrum and the load. So the pressure or the effort which is given, which is external, it is provided in center. The effort is applied between the fulcrum and the load. Fishing rods, tweezer and tongs are the example of third class lever. See, in third class lever, see the tweezer or the fishing tongue, anything you can take. See the load. In case of tweezer, we call it chimta or chimte in Bengali. Okay. In sweet shop also you will see. Here the fulcrum is at the point where the two parts of the lever is joining. This is the fulcrum, and the effort is over here. The person used to hold it like that, and suppose this is the rasgulla, sweet rasgulla, which is taken up with the help of the tweezer, and the person used to put effort with his finger like this, isn't it, to put it to hold the sweet with the help of tweezer. The same thing is happening in case of fishing rod. You see, the fulcrum is at the one end and the load is at the other end, where the fish is being caught with the help of the fishing rod and effort is being put by the person who is holding the fishing rod, and this is the fulcrum, where the person is holding and the one end, here he is putting the effort and here the load is hanging from the string. So this is the three different types of lever. So if I tell you to explain that what is the comparative, if I tell you to write a comparative chart between first class, second class and third class lever, what you are going to say? First and foremost thing is, here first we will tell about the position, okay, position of the lever. See here, load, fulcrum and effort. Here in case of second class lever, fulcrum, load and finally effort. And in case of third class lever, fulcrum, effect and finally load. In the second point, what you can write, that here fulcrum is at the center, here load is at the center, and third class, the effort is at the center, isn't it? Finally, giving one example, seesaw. Second class lever, what example? Wheelbarrow is the best example. And finally, third class lever, what example you are going to be? Either tweezer you can get, tweezer you can give, or fishing rod you can give. So this is a small comparative chart you are going to get, and in the PDF also you're going to get the difference between first class and first simple machine and complex machine. So this is all about lever. Next day, in the next video, we are going to start with the inclined plane, the next category of simple machine. Thank you very much.